West Africa's most culturally rich and religiously diverse peoples. Among the major religions in this region, Islam has played a significant role in shaping its history, culture, and identity. Islam entered Yorubaland between the 14th and 15th centuries, primarily through trans-Saharan trade and the influence of Muslim scholars and the merchants from Mali and Hausa territories. Early centers of Islamic learning emerged in cities like Iwo, Ilorin, and Oyo. Islam, rather than just being a religion, it became a way of life. As a way of life, it shapes the believer's daily decision, interaction, and worldview. In Yorubaland, Islamic education thrived through Quranic schools, and Arabic became a language of scholarship. Islam didn't come by conquest in Yorubaland. It came through peaceful contact, trade, and education. On socio-economic impact, Islam spread largely through Muslim traders from the Mali. The religion facilitated long-distance trade networks across West Africa. Not only that, Islamic principles like zakat helped in the care of the poor and orphans in Yoruba Muslim community. Also, Islamic organizations established hospitals, schools, and financial cooperatives, contributing to social development. Today, Islam remains one of the dominant religions in Yorubaland. It influences law, education, dress, and daily life. Prominent Yoruba Muslims have contributed significantly to Nigeria's development. In terms of Arabic education, Islam introduced Arabic literacy and Quranic education. Children were taught to read and write Arabic and learn Islamic jurisprudence and theology. Not only that, some Islamic schools later became stepping stones for Western-style education, especially during colonial times. On political influence, Muslim leaders played significant roles in Yoruba politics, especially in the 19th century. Some Yoruba Obas embraced Islam, which increased its legitimacy. Sharia, although not fully implemented as in the North, Islamic law influenced dispute resolution and moral conduct in many communities. Although Islam in Yorubaland is yet to attain its goal, nevertheless, its great impact can never be denied.